Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Super Mario Bros. So in close to 10 subscribers, like I said. So today we're just going to be doing the hot elevator ride. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. So this level does seem a bit hard, but yeah, just a little hard. Because you can only fit 2 things on it. All we just really gotta do is just try not to get anything on here. Like no enemies or coins. Alright. There we go. Oh no, are those bombs? Alright, there's bombs on. Oh my gosh. This is not good. Of all the bombs. Oh no, we need to get away. Lava's getting closer. Just try and like tilt it about. Oh no. So all today we're just gonna be really like doing this. Oh, oh no, it's a bomb. Another one of these bombs. No. Just keep going. Can't even get a coin on here. Oh no. Do it. Oh no. Oh no. There we go. I think we did it. That was just something. Alright. Where to go? Alright. So make sure to like and subscribe. And now, goodbye.